Are you looking to work faster with your Excel data? Here we will discuss some of the keyboard shortcuts which will actually make your work faster. So let's have a sheet here, and let's say I select some of the cell, and above this I need one row to be inserted. Shift space will select the whole row, and then Control Shift plus can insert a row here. If you select more than one rows, those many rows will be inserted. Control minus will remove the row. And if suppose you want to perform this for column, Control space will select the column, and Control Shift plus will insert a new column, and Control minus can remove it. So minus is for removing and plus is for adding a new column. Other than that, you will notice, suppose if I have a numeric data, I can just use Alt equal to display the sum. It will detect the numeric values above that and will select that range. So I can just press enter here. I don't have to write the whole function. Similarly, you need the date, current date to be inserted. I can use Control semicolon for the current date and Control Shift colon for the current time. So that's how you don't have to write functions for these small things. If you need the data as it is, you can use these keyboard shortcuts. But remember, these are the values. They are not come as the functions. So once next day, suppose you open the file, this date will remain static. Control home will bring you to the beginning of the data. Control arrow will bring you to the end of the column. Control down arrow, end of the data. Control left arrow to the beginning of the data. And that's how you can move around between the data. And Control Shift right arrow will make the selection, and Control Shift down arrow, downward selection. So that's how selection can be made easier with the help of keyboard shortcut. Other than that, you can use Control page up and page down to move between the sheets. So if you use Control page down, it can take you to the next sheet. Control page up will bring you to the previous sheet. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one.